It's a 2014 BMW 3 Series. With an intelligent approach to engineering and legendary design, it's no wonder it's the most popular in BMW's lineup. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, leather bucket seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver writes, "So far, the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. The time is now. See it for yourself today."
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.